Ever ever waste time flipping controls your outlet? Today I'm showing you how and breaker finder to label an entire panel fast and accurate the right way. Breaker outlets, plug-in tester, breaker finder, troubleshooting today. So today I'm going to be using, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to the breaker panel, the electrical panel, and I'm going to listen for the sound of the beep. So it's a great electrical tester to have, plug-in tester, works wonders. So if you're a homeowner or even an apprentice electrician, this method can save you. So outlet testers, breaker, locator, tracing circuits, apprentice electrician. Uh, this is this one is for you. Again, this is what we use to mostly troubleshoot our circuits. You can also use a with me in tester. So again, the walkthrough process is, like I said, I'm going to be going here to the washroom. I'm going to check to see if my tester is functioning, and if the tester is functioning, then that means that all is well. Like I say, the tester, so that's a symbol, three lights that comes on basically when you're troubleshooting, and you can obviously find your outlet, pretty easy to test when you're trying to troubleshoot. So again, this is a letter troubleshooting the electrical outlet inside of the hallway, and I'm going to be going to the panel, the electrical panel, to flip this breaker off to make sure that it is the correct breaker. Also, keep in mind that I do have finish, so the reason why we to obviously make sure that once the end of the job that we're going to pass our inspection with flying colors. Of course, at the end of the job, you have to have your panel label. As you can see inside here, these are where the breakers are. My panel is still not labeled, so I'm in the process of troubleshooting. I can do my labeling once that circuit comes on. So when labeling, make sure your labels. Um, I like to double check for shared neutrals that can trip you up if you're not careful. So if this helped you out, check out my next video on how how I troubleshoot dead outlets using a non-contact voltage test. Subscribe. I drop new electrical tips weekly. So again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical, where the content is real and where we do a lot of electrical tutorials. So again, don't forget to hit that like button also, and I will catch you guys on the next video.